Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Milkshakes are a lot of fun, especially during summers, and we love to have something nice and cold. So today I'm going to share a very nice and healthy, refreshing carrot milkshake which is so wholesome and just absolutely tasty. So why wait, let's get started and check out this summer special. So for the carrot milkshake, I've taken one large carrot. It's been finely grated, add it to the blender. I'm adding about 12 soaked almonds. I've removed the skin and I'm adding them. And I'm also adding about 10 soaked cashew nuts. Just pour a little milk and blend everything to a nice fine paste. Once you've ground the carrots with the nuts, I'm going to add some jaggery for sweetness. You can adjust the sweetness according to your taste, and I'm also adding half teaspoon of powdered cardamom. Pour a little milk and blend everything till you get a nice smooth and creamy consistency. If you don't want jaggery, you can always use brown sugar or the regular white sugar instead of jaggery. So this flavorful and fresh carrot milkshake is ready. You can serve it nice and chilled. It's a very nice, healthy and refreshing drink. The best way to enjoy the carrot milkshake is immediately nice and chilled. You don't want to leave it overnight. I'm garnishing the milkshake with some nice sliced pistachios and some saffron strands. I'll give you a couple of links to the other milkshake recipes I've made earlier. Do check them out. Perfect for the summer. It's so refreshing, and this is something that I really needed right now. So you can see we've made this carrot milkshake in less than 15 minutes. It's that easy to make, and it's very healthy and a nice wholesome drink. In case your kids or anyone at home are fussing to have carrots, this is a great way to give it to them. To try this drink, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.